Hello. In this video I will show you how I rendered this beautiful interior scene using D5 render. The goal is, by the end of this video you will be able to pick up some tricks or ideas that will help you create stunning animations and images like this in D5 render. In my next upload, I will show you how I achieve this amazing results with the same scene using lumion. So be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so that when I post you don't miss it. The first thing I like to do is to set my camera view, that way I can focus only on what is going to show in the final render. I like to take my time to find the perfect shot because that can have an impact on the overall look and professionalism of the final render, so take your time at this stage and don't rush through it. Now that I have all the views that I need, I will proceed to applying materials. Press I for the material picker and click on the surface you want to apply the material, select a preset of the material you want to create and load your maps, adjust the material's parameters until you are happy with the result, or you can use the D5 library and click and drag your preferred material onto the object or surface and adjust its properties until you are happy. For the wall material, I will set a base color and import a plaster material normal map to add some details and adjust its strength, UV, and roughness till I'm happy with how it looks. I will duplicate the wall material on the ceiling and staircase and adjust the ceiling material to look slightly different in color. For the wooden part of the TV unit, I imported a wooden texture and I set a darker base color to darken the texture, and I imported the normal and roughness maps into their slots, and I adjusted the UV tiling and map strengths to my liking. For the sofa, I imported fabric texture for the diffuse color slot and I adjusted the base color to achieve my preferred color. I imported its normal map and I set its strength to high and I set a roughness of my liking. I repeated the same process for the floor and the other surfaces and objects. When I was done with the materials, I set the environment lighting and added some artificial lights. I turned off auto exposure and set the exposure manually, and I imported an overcast HDRI map that I downloaded from HDRI Haven and adjusted its parameters, and I updated my scene list. I added some spotlights, I set its intensity to low and chose a warmer color and set its attenuation radius to cover small area. I also added some strip light to the TV unit. I set its intensity to low and chose a warmer color and set its attenuation radius to cover small area. At this stage, I am very happy with the results. To finalize everything, I added some effects and rendered the final images and animations. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, kindly leave it in the comments. See you in the next video. Bye.